Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Meta AI in Instagram chat. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. So click on that and you need to update your Instagram application. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open Instagram application and click on the messenger icon on the top right. And here you can see search on the top. You need to click on that and click on Meta AI. So now you can see that it is open. So you need to open the Meta AI conversation. So let me open this. So I am going to open the assistant and here I'm going to use it. So I want to generate an image. Imagine a gold iPhone logo, a gold Instagram logo. So then you need to send and you need to wait for few seconds. It will generate a response for us. So if it is not generating, so here you can see that it generated a gold Instagram logo for us. It took some seconds to do, but it will do for us. So this is the process. So if you want, you can send it to anyone. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.